This looks to me like a number line question. I think the hint is that they all live on a straight road. So we're going to be drawing a number line using the instructions provided in the question, and then we'll figure out the answer. So we're going to do all of that right now. So on this number line, we know that the school is halfway between Abdul's house and Barb's house. We also know that Barb's house is halfway between the school and Carlos's house. Now we're told that the school is 4 miles from Carlos's house, and we want to know the total distance between Abdul's house and Carlos's house. Since we know that all of these distances are the same, we can infer that they're all equal to 2, and therefore the total distance is 6. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.